Hey everybody, Nick Espinoza, your chief security fanatic here, and today in absolute BS news, we have to talk about Twitter, aka X, aka Elon Musk's plaything, because if you didn't know, they opted you in for their AI training. They didn't tell anybody. And so we're going to talk about this and also how to disable it. Now, thanks to Bill Toulis of Bleeping Computer, who alerted me to this issue via his article on this. And essentially what's going on and why this came to light is because the European privacy advocate known as NOYB, which stands for None of Your Business, love the name, has filed 9 GDPR complaints about X using their personal data and the personal data of over 60 million users in Europe, not to mention the United States and everywhere else in the world, to train Grok. Now, Grok is the large language model that's supposed to compete with the ChatGPTs and all the others of the world that Twitter, aka X, aka Elon Musk's artificial intelligence, whatever, is essentially what we're talking about here. Now, according to NOYB, X did not inform its users that their data was being used to train AI and did not ask for their consent to the practice. I can 100% guarantee and confirm that that is absolutely the case because my own account was being fed into Grok, and I learned that today. I didn't even know this was happening. I didn't even know this setting exists. This is why this is BS. We should be informed. NOYB also alleges that Grok used huge amounts of personal data of the 60 million users in the EU and EEA. That's the European Economic Area. Again, not to mention the United States, Canada, everywhere else. And they use that data without proper legal basis or user consent, which then violates GDPR, which is the European data security standard, something we need here universally in the United States. Now, this lack of transparency in Grok's training methods was first noticed in late July by a user that goes by @EastBakedOven, who discovered the issue while looking through all of these recent changes in the X account settings. Now, this particular setting, which remains checked on by default, reads, allow your posts as well as your interactions, inputs, and results with Grok to be used for training and fine-tuning, end quote. Now, in the settings description, it basically X states that it may use the data mentioned to quote-unquote fine-tune Grok and also may share it with its service provider, XAI, for similar purposes. So this is absolute BS. We had no idea this was happening. I think it's absolutely disgusting when this kind of stuff happens. I don't care if it's Facebook, X, whatever. I think it's a damn shame. And so here's how you fix this. Now, I did this from my web browser. I'm sure you can probably do this from the app as well, but these settings are from the web browser. So when you're on the main menu and on the main screen, on the left column where you have your menu, click on More, then click on Settings, then click on Privacy and Safety, then click on Grok and remove the checkbox, which should then opt you out for that. And there's an optional thing that you can do underneath. You're going to see delete conversation history, which is your history of using Grok as an AI. And if you're using Grok as an AI, one, don't. Obviously, it's really shady. And two, you can delete that conversation history. So I went through and I unchecked that. I've never used Grok as an AI, have no desire to whatsoever to feed the Elon Musk beast in that sense. And I just don't think this is cool at all. So I say all of that to say, go uncheck yourself. And quite frankly, we should probably be following a lot of the members of parliament over in the UK and just start shutting down our accounts anyway, because it's absolutely pointless. So here we are. Not cool. Not cool, X. Not cool, Elon Musk. Go fix yourselves right now by following those steps. More settings, privacy and safety, Grok, remove the checkbox, delete your conversation history, and that is your unfortunate news of the day. And please like, share, follow me here on Facebook and Twitter at NickAESP, where you will be opted in automatically. And same, well, probably hopefully not the same with YouTube, because I've gone through all those settings multiple times. And as always, you should subscribe to me everywhere. And please stay safe, stay online, and attempt to stay private, which Elon Musk and X are making a heck of a lot harder. Take care.